Today we're going to make a rainbow ice cream cone. First you need a pencil. You're going to draw a smiley face with 2 diagonal lines downwards. Then you're going to draw 6 scoops. They can be whatever shape you want, just make sure they all fit on the page and they get smaller as they get higher up on the paper. Then you're going to outline with oil pastel each of the colors. Red will be at the bottom, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple, all the colors of the rainbow. In each scoop, you're going to add a pattern. This pattern can be whatever pattern you want. You can decide. Just make sure each of them is different. On the inside of the cone, you're going to use brown, and you're going to use a diagonal cross-hatching technique to make it look like a waffle cone. After we're done with oil pastel, then you're going to get your watercolors out, and you're going to watercolor each of the cones the same color as the oil pastel. Make sure not to make it too dark because you still want to be able to see your oil pastel. The oil pastel will resist the watercolor because oil and water do not mix. If you have a color that's dirty, just dip and swirl a bunch of times, and that will clean the color for you. Make sure to wash your brush in between colors so your colors do not get mixed up on the paper. After you're done with the colors of the rainbow, then you're going to mix complementary colors to make brown for your ice cream cone. I used purple and yellow, and then I added a little bit of orange because I wanted it to be a warmer brown. You might have to play around with this to make your brown perfect. Then after you're done with all of that, you can pick whatever color you want for the background. When you're done, your work goes on the drying rack. Double check to make sure that your name and class code is on the back so your project does not get lost.